Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin now. Keep the camera low to a flat surface and act calmly. Once you confirm the film counter shows a number greater than 0, press the rewind release and turn the rewind knob clockwise until resistance eases. This pulls the film back into the canister. Make sure to keep the camera back closed until rewinding starts. If you open early, light will fog frames. When you feel the film free inside the canister, stop turning and prepare to open the back safely. Once done with rewinding, open the back. You'll see the canister seated near the rewind well. Remove the canister carefully by lifting the rewind knob or pulling the canister straight out. Do not yank the film. Inspect the canister lip to ensure no torn film. Then take the new roll, thread its leader into the Take-Up spool slot, and advance the film a couple of frames by winding the film advance lever so the perforations catch. This ensures proper engagement before closing. After seating the new roll, close the back and wind the advance lever while watching the rewind knob. It should turn slightly, showing the film is loading correctly. Set the ISO to match the new roll and reset the frame counter if your camera requires it. Take a blank frame or two and advance again to confirm smooth tension. If you encounter slack, odd resistance, or the rewind knob doesn't move, open the back in dim light, reseat the leader, and repeat loading. This fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.